Got it from the bottom, but I had to get my grind right. Pretty soon I'ma be in the limelight. I'ma pull up AP, diamonds hitting fist fight. I got my shit right. I be rich when the time right. Whoa. Had to distance myself, get my mind. Got a brand new fire. Tryna see what his hand like. Bitch wanna see what my sign like. She know I'ma be up until late right. STRUGGLE in the GLE, ain't seen in me. Round in the coupe, bad bitch with me. She too on fleek like she can't put a T. I'm with a chopper, no in alley. I'm way too geek, won't bust green free. I'm raw, they want the recipe. I put my seat on the buns. Came with the STRUGGLE. Can't see the feet, don't rest on me. Racks up on them, Kiki, tryna ball in the lamb. CD, I'ma pop out with big racks, 3D. What's in my blunt threats? I'm geek. Gorilla inside of a coochie key. I'm a young fly nigga like I'm Nucci.
YouTube, what's up with you, man? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, my hair looking rough today, man. So we about to go get a cut. I don't like how I look. I gotta look good for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all do everything, because I'm loud as hell in my house for no reason. Let's go get the cut. Start the Z. Come on now.
Even for the children's sake, can we get our shit together? Crying about the white man, but celebrate when we kill each other. What the fuck y'all rappers doing? How come all y'all arts black? You say fuck the police, so where the body all them cops at? Police shoot up dead, they blow it up like we ain't know this shit. I'm sorry to those families, I send my love and condolences. How come y'all ignore so this course is on the floor when it's yours, killing yours? We leave the house straight out the door.
Anyways, YouTube, like I said, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to get some of them lights on, make sure y'all can see all that. Ooh, that thing looking nice now. That thing looking nice. We got to make sure we, you know what I'm saying? Everything is good for y'all boys. Cold start? Not cold. Yeah, that thing right. But like I said, we're gonna head out today, man. Go get some things done. And bring y'all along for the ride. Only right. I thought we were gonna just leave y'all in the house. Like I said, my hair look rough, man. Let me make sure I don't hit the wall. But yeah, my hair look rough. The weather looked terrible outside. So we might as well go enjoy ourselves. And get the going.
Killing each other, we losing. My sister, my brother, they need y'all to do this. But I say no, let it go, it's time for some new. I think my people love the devil. Tell the NAACP they ain't no fucking rebels. Revolution marching in circles, same fucking level. But wanna talk about oppression. All I see is closed churches, open, popping bottle sessions that look good. Like what the fuck was George Floyd for? I mean, sure, ain't nothing wrong with good times. But if you're at war, then don't you think it's time to get the scrap? Like, is you really about this shit? It is, you can. That's why I think my people love the devil. We love the way that he dressed, the way he glorified money, murder, and sex. It's the best, ain't it? God must be proud of these grown niggas with breasts, ain't it? I wonder what he think about Joe Biden pushing sex changes for children and shit. I mean, look at God, right? I mean, it's inside. It can never be denied. That's why I think this country love the devil. Your villains, wars, killing.
You know, I don't drive the Z enough to respect it, man. Sometimes I listen to the y'all listen to the downshift while I do this. Ooh, sorry, I'm gonna.
Instead of y'all encouraging Nick, you let them get canceled. We forever wilding out of all these people. You let Cardi lead you to vote for this retarded sequel. Why the Democratic Party deceived you to think that Donald Trump was Hitler, and all of a sudden they targeting evil and care so much about darker skinned people and Black Lives Matter supposed to be this positive.
Maybe that's a little better,
screaming fuck the police so that we all can be evil. But when it's black on black crime in the darkness, they leave you and tell you that ain't what it's about. But it's obvious we don't never see y'all when it's body trapping. We sorry, but it ain't no news cameras. Can you still make it?
That been pop a little bit. That been pop a little bit now.
I'm not master, but I'm pretty sure that you motherfuckers is all actors and you love the devil. Hate speech, fake, preach, play, sweet. While you stirring up confusion and you playing on my people's emotion, using the news and people love the devil. Fans tune into transhuman plans. You been scammed, Truman Show.
Y'all can't tell me this shit don't be popping. Look, somebody about to come to the window real quick. That shit be popping. It sound good? Appreciate it.
I like it.
Thank you. Appreciate you, man.
Be good, man.
Yes, sir. Ooh, hey, man. Straight love from the city, boy. Straight love from the city, boy. Who that? Who that? I say Joshin, motherfucker. That's who it is. messing this city up. I be messing this city up. I be messing this city up. Get that cut, man. I'm gonna see y'all boys in a little bit. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, bro, I love the Z. I love the Z. Every time I'm out, they be knowing who it is. All right, y'all see the before? Let's see the after. Okay, a little shape up, a little something clean, something slight. You know what I'm saying? Had to get right, man. But we about to head back to the crib. Like I said, I wanted to step out. I wanted to make sure I'm good to go. And that's it. Now I could go home and be a bum, be lazy a little bit. Unless I got some shoes, I should hit the gym. I should hit the gym. All right, let's hit the gym. Damn.
Bitch, I put that shit on for real. I ain't rapping janky. Ice is on me cold on for real. Bitch, I need a blanket. I just charge a fan at 24 and twercation. Cause I done bought my body 24. I ain't rocking basic. Diamond basic, told her pace it. If that hoe gon' face it. On vacation, life amazing, house looking vacant. I got Mason clean the crib to keep my bitches waking. Roll their faces, big, I been 10. This bitch got different cases. I'm impatient, jury patient, whip gon' walk the patent. I got a hoe that says something to keep my whips racing. I got that money on for real, never play for sale. I don't do this shit for nobody, bitch, I tie myself. I step around with cleats on me like I'm on the field. That bitch who wanna say something like I'm Dr. Phil. I wouldn't buy that chain for my body, fuck how you feel. Big rocks give me hoes inside my ears, Evander Holyfield. Bro, just on the life, he got a gun, but he ain't holding it. I'm in yours to lamb chops and Porsche. I got a bitch that getting over on me, did it hard way. I had to cheat on the bitch and take a friend, I told her no.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get to checking her. Hey, checking her. No, we gon' check them out. I think I got a problem, cause I tend to think a lot. You don't hear nothing about him, cause he coolin' in the house. And we with all the violence, all I do is point him out. Keep going, no, don't stop till I say something. Beat the one. Come outside, won't ask 2 times, hey. You know I know who you want. When we going, I get drunk. I know you probably think it's kinda dumb. I got a problem, I'ma say something. I got a problem, I'ma say something. I think about you, the main one.
Cry to me. Even if you say I'm got you still might lie to me. Hop on a jet and get gone, they won't fly with me. Think we pulling strings, but I got my guitar with me. Whoa, you ain't shit, yeah, I know how this goes. It's always me, that's why my heart is cold. But I ain't tripping, cause I know I'm chosen. I'm a ball in this bit like the rose. And heart frozen, it can't go boom, 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 boom. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm a zoom. I can't control it. I'm trying not to lose my cool. Weight on my heart, it makes it hard for it to go boom, 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 boom.
Alright, YouTube, that is it, man. Appreciate y'all coming along to the vlog, hanging out with your boy, chilling with me. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the shots. It's just another day, another dollar. I'm off today, man. I'm off, so I wanted to come out. I wanted to drive the car and just take it out and get a haircut. I went to the gym. I did all that productive stuff, man. So I love y'all. Alright, I'll catch y'all on another one. Like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This weekend is going to be crazy. We outside, y'all. We outside, so let's get it.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught Caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box. If you want,